Let's go back to that dream state where you once were mine. Energy to find sunlight personified. Wishing I was set free to the soul.
Hi guys, it's Candace Marie and I'm back again with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all can see from the title, I will be reviewing and doing a wear test of the new Morphe foundation in collaboration with Makeup Shayla. If you want to know more information about this foundation and my final thoughts, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I'm on the Morphe website because I want to tell y'all all of the specs and information about this foundation before I do the demo and also the wear test. So the full name of the foundation is the Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation. That is a very long name, but yeah. So it is an oil-free skincare infused foundation that delivers a natural finish for healthy looking skin. It's hydrating, pore blurring, and it's luxurious, honey. So, you know, it's made in Italy. And then as far as pore blurring pigments diffuse the look of imperfections. And then it is also hydrating, so it has hyaluronic acid that boosts moisture levels, and it also has vitamin C that delivers antioxidant protection. This foundation comes in 40 shades, and I think they did a really good job with just serving all of the skin tones and undertones. If you go on the website, you'll be able to easily see where you will fit in the spectrum and also your undertone as well. So kudos to y'all, Morphe and Makeup Shayla. The foundation comes in this cute frosted bottle, and you get 0.94 fluid ounces, and it's supposed to be medium to full coverage. So now that I got the specs out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and just rave about this collaboration, rave about Makeup Shayla. We are Makeup Shayla stans over here. I have a lot of her collaborations with ColourPop and also Maybelline. Pretty much everything she comes out with, I purchase, because I just know she really knows makeup, especially for people of color, being a black woman herself, and she just be delivering, honey. Like, this is the first time that Morphe has actually collaborated with a black woman, and also the beauty artist, creative director, and photographer is also a black woman as well, Danessa Myrick. So shout out to these two beautiful black women. It's really amazing that they dropped this launch at the beginning of Black History Month. But yeah, shout out to Morphe for making this collaboration happen. I hope to see more women of color in y'all collaborations. Hopefully we got an eyeshadow palette by a woman of color coming soon. Cross his fingers, but we'll see. But just so this video isn't too long, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the demo, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we're up close and personal. I am going to go ahead and go in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I used this primer over vacation and I really liked it. I'm like combination dry, I would say. Like, I don't know what happened, but it's like when I turned 25, my skin just got dry, child. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I really do like this primer. And you know, I just want to get more into hydrating products. I did my eyebrows and my eyeshadow off camera. I used the Morphe Truth or Dare palette, and it's all right. I mean, I expected it to be a little bit better. But here is the shades, and I don't know, y'all, I just wasn't really impressed with it, so that's probably going back. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the pump and just put it on my beauty blender. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to do half of my face just to show you all the coverage. As you can see, y'all got a little bit more scarring from acne than I usually do, so we'll see if it provides, you know, the coverage that I preferably like. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop this mug on. Oh wow, that's a pretty good match. Okay, wow. I'm impressed. I wasn't expecting it to have that much coverage, honestly. Let's go ahead and go throughout the whole face. So this is this side without any product, and this is this side. Wow. Okay, Makeup Shayla know what she doing. Okay, she knows. They picked the right person, okay? All right, y'all, so the face is pretty much covered, and I would say that it is pretty poor blurring. I'm getting like a softness to my skin. It still looks skin-like. It doesn't feel heavy at all, and it does feel very hydrating. So makeup Shayla, you know what you was doing, girl. I mean, come on, she's not gonna put out anything crazy, okay? As you can see, I don't really have the acne scarring. The one on my forehead is a little bit darker, but even though I applied about 2 to 3 coats of this foundation, I don't feel like I have any foundation on. Like, this is amazing. And it's a perfect match. So I am happy with this so far. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, and then we're gonna do a wear test. So I'll see y'all in a bit. The only other Morphe product that I got is this mattifying continuous setting mist. So we gonna see what it's hitting for. Okay. Ooh. It's not really misty. It's coming out more like I don't even know. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, let me go ahead and take this beauty blender over here. I don't know why it got white like that. I'm used to my setting sprays being more like sprays, like shh, but that one was a little different, but we'll see how it holds up. All right, y'all, so I am back with the finished look. All of the products that I use will be linked down below. I also have on a Forever 21 necklace with my paparazzi earrings, so don't forget to shop down below. So initial thoughts on the foundation. I'm looking in the mirror right now. Everything looks very skin-like, very seamless. I love the color match on this foundation. I don't know if you all can see it on camera, but I do feel like I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation around my mouth a little bit, so that's just something that I have to watch out for if I use this foundation again. But overall, it mixed well with the other products that I used. I used the mix of Fenty Beauty and also affordable products as well. And honestly, when I'm trying a new foundation, I really wanted to go with other brands. Like, I rarely do one brand full face for my makeup. So I really like the fact that it kind of worked with affordable products and also higher end products. So it is currently 3:27, and I said I was gonna do a wear test. So I'll come back maybe around 6, 7 o'clock. I'm just gonna do some editing. I might go ahead and run out to Ulta and return this palette, and then we'll just see how it holds up. So I'll see y'all in a couple hours. All right, y'all, so I am back. It has been about 4.5 hours. It's currently 8:30 now, and as you can see, the foundation didn't really move much. I am getting some shininess around my nose area. I've just been in the house just editing and watching the Super Bowl, and so I feel like it held up pretty good. It didn't really oxidize. So for my overall thoughts for the foundation, I really like it. I honestly see it being one of my staples here on my channel. It was super lightweight, pretty much flawless, and like I said, I'll just have to make sure I color correct or just go in with a little bit more product around my mouth. But other than that, it held up pretty good. It didn't oxidize, and it was a perfect match. I mean, it's a $20 foundation. You can't really beat what you get with this foundation. I definitely feel like it's giving us high end at an affordable price. So shout out to Shayla for providing us with a really good foundation. I am so excited to see what other collaborations she's gonna come out with. And I really hope Morphe does collaborate with more people of color in general with their campaign. So hopefully we have an eyeshadow palette. Morphe, please, hopefully. Okay, as always, thank you all so much for watching my videos, and since we're doing a review on a foundation that Makeup Shayla collaborated with, we're just gonna go ahead and end the video with one of her favorite sayings, strut and slay.
So let's go.